you believe Mrs. Kassotis was not dismembered in that house?
I believe that there's not enough physical evidence available to make that determination decisively.
If she was dismembered in that house, what type of evidence would you have expected to find that might confirm that she was dismembered there, or lead you to believe with greater certainty that she may have been dismembered there?
So if somebody were to lay down, say, a tarp or something like that, then that might protect items of furniture, the walls or floor from blood. So it just depends.
You found relatively little blood there, correct?
Correct.
What day did you go to the Portal Hunting Club down in Riceboro?
I went out that Monday, December 5th.
Okay, and when you got there on December 5th, why did you go there?
We were doing an extensive search that day, and I wanted to participate.
Had steps already been taken to try and identify her?
Yes.
Okay, but had they yielded any results?
No, they had not.
So you had to go to a private laboratory to be able to try the genetic genealogy?
That's correct.
As a result of that process, did you receive any information that assisted you in locating individuals that may have a connection to your deceased?
Yes, we did.
And who was that you went to speak with after that process?
Agent Sands went to speak with Betsy Mabane.
Why did they go to speak with her?
So during the testing, they were able to basically build a family tree with connections to potential family members of the victim, and she was identified as a possible mother.
Did that ultimately provide you with identity for the purposes of knowing who that torso and the rest of the remains belonged to?
Yes, it did.
And who was that?
Mindi Kassotis.
Now, I'm going to direct your attention to December 6th of 2022 and December 9th of 2022, where you called upon to perform an autopsy on a person at the request of Special Agent Tracy Sands of the Georgia Bureau of Investigation and the coroner in this county.
Yes.
Do you recognize the labels that are affixed to each of those exhibits?
Yes, I do.
And are those, in fact, the actual bloodstain cards that you prepared and submitted to the crime laboratory for analysis?
Yes, they do appear to be.
Why are there 5 cards?
There are 5 cards because the body was received in 5 pieces. We received a right leg, we received a left leg, we received a head with a portion of the neck, the upper portion of the neck attached, and we received the torso with the lower portion of the neck and the arms attached. So we received the body in 5 pieces. The body had been dismembered. And so we collected a DNA sample from each one of those pieces, in part initially to ensure that they all went with the same person. The DNA from all 5 matched.
And in this case, were you able to determine a cause of death?
Yes.
And what was your determination?
Traumatic injuries.
And were you able to determine the manner of death?
Yes.
And what was that?
Homicide.